I am at the Phoenix Classic Car Show in Cattrall. We've just got here. There's quite a few already here. Let's go and have a little closer look.
Next week we go to there is at the port of next week Sunday. Next week. If we don't, on the road.
We've seen this one before. Can't remember whereabouts it was, but it wasn't too far away from here actually, but definitely seen that one before. That is long. That is long. That's crazy. Size of those wheels. Exhaust pipes come outside. Must be riding on air, this one. It's got hand painted. Is it Tasmanian Devil, is it? Is that what it is? The cigar. Like it. It's lowered the roof. Looks like it may even come off the roof. Soft top convertible. Norway plate. There's a lot of Scandinavians here actually. If I remember correctly, there's Ford over here. Yeah, it's also Swedish. This is the same car as last time, Isabella. He's removed the side so you can...
I was going to say, is it always open?
Well, I'm guessing he's driven like that today, maybe. What do you want to say?
Hello. That red one over there looks like the Dr Dre one.
Yeah.
Or bounces.
You seen how long this one is? Yeah.
It's kind of the same as that
Should
one.
be like sitting on a sofa.
It's crazy long. And it's a Volvo. Very old, nice Volvo. That's very clean. Look at the paint on that. That's very clean. Inside as well. Wow. 89,000 kilometers. I love that. That's really nice. Rally spec. It's got the white walls, front spots. It's got mud flaps, visor. Loving the colour. That's my favourite so far. It's a little windy and the weather's not too great, so I hope the sound's coming out alright, but that's definitely my favourite so far. We've got a polka. Got a Cadillac. Very Elvis Presley. Very Elvis Presley. The size of the wheels wouldn't go amiss on a 4x4. Oh, MG. Oh, I don't think I've ever seen one of these in the flesh. That's a nice colour as well. V8. You can see where the bulge has got at the front. but it's the whole front of it is a lot chunkier, it looks, than the normal one. It's MGB, I think, isn't it? Correct me if I'm wrong. I've got an old Renault. The vinyl roof is in really good condition. Very well looked after. We've got a Z. Some wide wheels put on it. It's got some Nismo, potentially R34s, is it? They look a hell of a lot bigger than 19s, don't they? A lot bigger than a 19. Quite standard, really. Maybe it's been a little bit lowered. Rims. And there's a Jag, right-hand drive Jag. Nice case. Liter V8. Ooh, now we're talking. Old 5 Series. Don't quote me if it's not 5. I'm not really a classic car guy, but it's a lovely shade of green.
It's a big lot of character. Exactly, yeah. We've got a modern MG. And that's just an easy thing to drive. Yeah, it is, but it's got no character really. It's got all the toys and everything, but it's got no character. Yeah.
I went for this with the Clio. I went to the
Big supercharged Jag V8.
It's got little features on it to make it a bit.
Engines always look better when the hood flips up that way. This long Jag. Twin pipes? Yeah, twin pipes. It's like a 320i, 320D. It's probably a D with exhaust like that. Yeah, Mark 1 Fiesta. Look at those wheels. Refurbed. Original Ford. Probably from... Oh. Oh, really nice. Nice seats inside. Reupholstered, gotta be. There's no way they can be original. The heads are actually leather. You can see the dashboard crack, so there's no way the seats can be original. And I believe, is it a Stingray? Corvette? Is that what they're called? Another green. A lot of green cars today, that's a nice green as well. And another Corvette. It's a nice colour as well. Nice wheels on it. Look how wide the front wheels are. Wow. 255 front wheels. Jesus. Wow. That's what this is. It doesn't actually have staggered wheels, this. It actually has 255 fronts and 255 rears, which is... Let's go and have a look at the width of the other one. 2 2.5s. And I'll probably say 255s in the rear. 2 2.5s. So they're not staggered, but they're narrower. But they're 255, 255. Crazy wide front tyres. Don't think I've seen as wide a tyres on a street car before like that. Here's the girls. Right, Isabella, we're going to have a preferred favourite out of all of them?
I don't have a preferred, I have two preferred.
Two. Alright, come on, show me the first one. Just beeline for the big one.
The Dr. Dre one.
The Dr. Dre one. It is, isn't it? Proper Dr. Dre.
And this one. And also, the back looks like a rocket.
It does look like a rocket.
Blast off. And the other one is...
I knew this was going to be it. Stingray. I thought it might have been. Is it because of the colour, I wonder?
No, I like it because it doesn't look old, it looks futuristic as well.
It is. Very much so.
Now, wait, I actually like this one as well.
Yeah. I've got a couple of favourites.
And now...
all of them are green. I quite like that Volvo actually over there, the grey one.
And now to Lauren.
There's Mum.
Now you have to say your two favourites. That.
The longest one that's here.
Yes, this is my favourite.
It's got to be the longest here, I would
And
thought.
your other favourite?
My second favourite, I think, is probably
Our car. The Dr. Dre one.
I do like this one.
I like this one
Because
as
I
well.
love the colour.
Yeah, I like
Red
this
and
one.
it's beautiful.
That's gangster, that is.
It's a cherry red. Or a royal red.
But the gold one.
I'm going to go out and say that it's an obscure pick, right?
Oh, you're not going for the orange one.
Let's look at all the cars.
No, I'm not going for the orange one. That's my favourite. Rally Spec old Volvo. It's different and the paint colour is really nice.
Because it kind of has like
It's kind of like I don't know how you would say it, matte, not matte, like non-metallic grey, but it's really clean, and it's got like faded out white walls which just look different with the mud flaps and pipes. Yeah, that's my favourite. I do like my old BMWs as well, but I think this MG's pretty interesting as well, because you don't see many of these. It's kind of like, it's got the modern front end kind of look to what MG's had in the 2000s. So when MG made the Rover versions, so the MG versions of the Rover that had these front ends on them, which makes me think it's potentially that era. So in the 2000s, I would say. But then you look at it and the interior's not. If you can see that, the colour is beautiful. That's definitely the nicest coloured one here. Yeah, it's really nice. I ain't never seen one of those before. And then there's the BMW, which is also in green. I like that as well.
My car seat's inside of there.
Signing off from the Phoenix Classic Car Meet here. Mixture of very old, some newer than others. My X5's not far off from being a classic, I wouldn't have thought. 20 years old next year. Another couple of green ones here. Got the Guardia Seville just turning up. And their electric Toyota. Don't think they should be invited, really, should they? No, definitely not. But the interested MG, hot rod down there. Favourite Volvo. Right hand drive, Jag, couple of V8s, nice BMW in green that we're seeing down this way here. Got some newer ones with the Z just there. Little Polka, And then the big boys at the end there, facing the Stingrays. Completely different setups. One's with open lights at the front, and one's with two 5s all round, and one with two 5.5s all round. We've seen this one again, which we've seen before, and then the gangster one, proper gangster. Good little turnout. 20 cars maybe. Expect nicer day and into the summer you'll end up with a bit more. But let's wrap it up for now. Give us a like and subscribe. Comment your favourite down below. Isabella, signing off. Adios. Adios, mummy.